Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make natural salad dressing. Start with the fundamental ratio of 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar. For instance, use 3/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil and 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. Whisk these together thoroughly. A small amount of Dijon mustard, about 1 teaspoon, can help bind the ingredients and create a smoother texture. This simple base is incredibly versatile. Once you have your base, it's time to get creative with flavors. Fresh herbs such as dill, parsley, or chives can add a vibrant, fresh taste. Consider adding a half teaspoon of garlic powder or onion powder for a savory kick. For a touch of sweetness, a tablespoon of maple syrup or a dash of honey works wonderfully. You can also experiment with different vinegars, like balsamic or red wine vinegar, to completely change the profile. Achieving a well-emulsified dressing means slowly drizzling your oil into the vinegar while continuously whisking. This creates a creamy, cohesive texture that won't separate as quickly. Once prepared, transfer your dressing to an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator to maintain freshness. Generally, homemade natural dressings will stay good for about 5 to 7 days, so make small batches for optimal taste. For the best results, always taste your dressing before serving and adjust seasonings as needed. You might want more salt, pepper, or a bit more acid. Allowing the dressing to sit for at least 15 minutes lets the flavors meld beautifully. Remember, fresh ingredients make a huge difference in taste. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade salad dressings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.